to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I do my DIY fenugreek powder deep conditioner, and I will also be showing you guys how I apply it to my hair and what I do after I rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Here I'm showing you guys the ingredients that I use for this DIY deep conditioner. So the first ingredient that I will be using is the fenugreek powder itself. I use 1/3 cup of that. Then I add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of African Herbal oil. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. 'And you can use any deep conditioner of your choice. I use the Organics olive oil deep conditioner. I put 4 tablespoons of that in. The items that I use in this deep conditioner will be listed in the description box below, and I also will list the benefits of each oil, the fenugreek, and the deep conditioner as well. After you've measured out all your ingredients in your bowl, go ahead and mix it up. Your consistency of your deep conditioner should be like a cake batter consistency. If it's too thick, you can then add aloe vera juice or water. Either one works perfectly fine. I did end up having to add a little water to mine because it was too thick for my liking. Conditioner, and now let's start. So here I'm just showing you guys how I apply the deep conditioner. I like to apply the deep conditioner on dry hair because I feel like when you apply products to dry hair, it gets the full effect versus applying it to wet hair. I feel like the wet hair kind of dilutes the product. But I like to start off in sections and just work my way around my head, applying the deep conditioner throughout my hair, saturating my strands, making sure that each strand gets some love and some deep conditioner. This is a very messy process, so make sure you are in an area that you don't mind getting dirty, or that is going to be an easy cleanup area. And make sure you also put on something that you don't mind getting dirty or messy, because this stuff drops a lot. Also, make sure that you wear gloves if you don't like smells staining your hands, because the fenugreek powder smells like maple syrup, and my hands smelled like maple syrup for a few days after I applied this deep conditioner. So if you don't like smells, make sure you put on gloves. I also wanted to let you guys know that I left the deep conditioner on overnight because my hair was very dry and really needed some moisture. I can say that the deep conditioner was very moisturizing. The only bad thing that I did notice about the deep conditioner is the fenugreek powder gets stuck in your hair. Like, it leaves flake galore in your hair. And I didn't get to get a picture because I was so upset with the flakes that I wasn't thinking about taking a picture to insert in the video and show you guys. But it looked like I had like little white specks just everywhere. Like I had just went and stuck my head in a sandbox. That's how bad it was. It took me 4 washes before the flakes came out my hair. And I can't even say they completely came out when I washed it the 4 times. It took for me to take a comb and detangle my hair with the comb and moisturize and seal my hair for the flakes to completely be 100% out my hair. So with that being said, just be mindful that you will have flakes or specks or whatever you like to call them in your hair after you wash this deep conditioner out. But it is very moisturizing, and it makes your hair very soft and very easy to detangle. So it has more pros than cons. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you tried this deep conditioner, leave a comment below and let me know how you felt about this deep conditioner. And I hope it works out for you. Thanks, and be blessed.